Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to calculate a rank in MS Excel. So guys, I have a example over here of different names and their score. So now in order for you to rank them, the formula will be equal sign and then a rank. And now just simply open parenthesis and just simply select the number. Now just simply copy this prompt, just simply provide a comma and put the dollar sign, and it will be it will be dollar sign 2. It will be on this row. And after that, provide a double colon and provide the end row. So it will be on C6 over here. And once you have provided a correct prompt, it will have this red box over here. It means that everything is selected. And after that, just simply close the formula and enter. And as you can see, you will have the rank over here. And now, in order for you to repeat this process, you will just simply click the corner icon and drag it down, and you should be able to see all of the rankings. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.